Hi friends, hope everyone is fine. I am here with a new video from my village. Today I came to the gardens. We have lots of tea gardens here in and around our village. I love to move around in my village because there are lots of things to explore, and through exploration I can learn so many things, and it really helps me to improve my English also. It's a beautiful afternoon here, and cool air is blowing right now. You can see the tea garden, how beautiful it looks here in this video. I have just seen few of the tea garden workers. After their work is finished, they are returning and to their house. Their house is very nearby from here, and because after this tea garden, at the end of the tea garden, there is a beautiful tribal village also, and after the tribal village there is a forest also. This road goes to the forest directly, just a couple of minutes away from here. I came here with my cycle. You can see the cycle in the middle of the tea garden. I kept there, and my house is very nearby from here, just a couple of minutes away. Friends, nature is full of wonders. We can learn so many things from nature. After I came here, I have captured few of the beautiful moments which I'm gonna show you here in this video. I have seen how the beautiful long-legged white birds are flying over the tea gardens, and I have never seen such a beautiful, incredible sight. Maybe because in this time the paddies are harvested in the nearby farmlands, that's why the birds and especially the long-legged white birds are coming. Lots of flocks of birds actually, and they are moving here, and they are flying and sometimes walking over the tea gardens. Maybe they are searching for food, they are getting available insects here, and the scenery was so majestic. I have captured in my mobile. Friends, for few days we have been receiving lots of rainfall also, because it is pre-monsoon time here. The rainy season will be here in a couple of days. It's a summer month here. We also get lots of heat, warm in this time. The sun shines so brightly during the day. At the same time, we also receive lots of rainfall. It's a beautiful village, and I'm enjoying myself practicing my English. Friends, every good thing takes time. You cannot become what you want to achieve overnight. Every good thing takes time. Just think about a singer who sings very well, because he or she goes through lots of practice, rehearsal. Finally, they sing so beautifully. Same thing happens with a dancer. He or she dances well on the stage. Before for that they go through lots of practice. Same thing happens whatever field you are. You have to spend time. Even a mountaineer cannot go to the Mount Everest one day. They have to practice. They have to climb the nearby mountains. They have to practice a lot. So same thing happens whatever you want to achieve. If especially if English, it's all about practice. Friends, now I'm moving from here because it is getting evening also. We have a local market here. I'm directly going to the market. I have to purchase something for my home. It's a very peaceful and little village. There are so many things to explore in and around the village. One day I'm planning to go to the forest also, and I would like to show you the tourist places we have here nearby. Till then, bye bye, take care, and see you soon in my next video.